Good day po mga Kaiko lovers. So we're fixing for our creation again, but you by Gonas Designs po. And this creation is kind of a flower which is style of cascading. But did you know that made po ito sa gubayabano leaves or sabana leaves po. In-undergo po ito ng skeletonized process po, kaya po siya na ganyan. So at the same time po nilagyan po siya ng color which is red. So again, simple po yung dating niya pero made of eco lovers po talaga ito. So this one po, ginamit po namin to, pwede po siya sa aming personalized po na bouquet, at the same time ginawa po namin siyang headdress. So again, this is from eco lover po material. So again, this is made of guyabano leaves or in Visayas sabana leaves. Yung mga dahon po niya, in-undergo po siya ng skeletonized process po. So, soon po malalaman nyo kung ano po yung skeletonized process po. So, thank you so much po and God bless. Bye!